Hello, Wagwan. Pick up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. Now, in this video, we're going to be showing you some aspects of our summer holiday. So, when you work hard, you work hard. When you play, you should also play hard. And I believe that it is important that we treat ourselves and that we take excellent care of ourselves and not just focus on just working. Because guess what? Working hard and just constantly working hard just makes the body ill. Nobody kills work, so we should just recognize that work kills people. It's not the other way around. So we just need to make sure that we manage our work and play, so we keep a balance, so that it is we do healthy and we thrive. So on this occasion, we decided initially that we were going to go for a 5-day haul for our holiday, but after consideration on it, we decided that we're going to cut it back so that it doesn't over exhaust us, because we're just going to be in the same country. It's not like we're paying airfare to go elsewhere, so we can just focus on getting ourselves around from point A to point B. And so because we now had a vehicle to get ourselves around, we decided that we were going to go for 2 nights for this leg of our holiday, because we had already gone to the country for what was supposed to be 2 nights, and we ended up doing 3. So now we decided that we're going to go to this section of the country and do some time there. So we're just going to show you some of that experience that we had, and our first stopover that we took, and the wonderful, awesome experience that the children were having on the rooftop pool. It was just amazing, and they enjoyed it significantly. The bit that was the high point for me was going to this historic town in Jamaica, and I cannot I think I've been before on more than one occasion, but it's been a long time, so it was quite a good opportunity to get there. Although we didn't get to do all of the things that we planned on doing there, we did get to go there, and it was rather awesome, just having that experience and a throwback in Jamaican history. And so we're going to share those footage with you now here. Oh my gosh, you're recording. Hey. I need a lift. Oh my gosh, I lost it.
But after coming all the way up, you're now closer to the pool. Because it's a roof pool.
Oh my gosh, look at myself.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Lizards. Okay. They're the same room, isn't it? Yeah. So just rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Amen. Bye.
Hello, Wagwan. Big up on yourself. Whether on the yard or on the abroad, this is the second leg of our summer break, and we're coming to you from the Big K, Kingston. So this is our accommodation, and it's looking nice. Lovely big bed. Hi, Keisha. How you find it?
Good.
You liking it?
Luxurious.
I think it's luxurious too.
This is my outfit mirror.
Oh wow.
And my fridge.
This is quite a nice room. It's sizable. Yep. And it has, and of course we in Kingston, we have options. We have fan, we have AC. Use whichever one. But when we were coming in, we see 3 lizards. Look like a family, mother, father, and bikini. Oh my gosh, they were up in the roof. Scary moment. But we came past, and we've checked so far. We haven't seen any in here. But we will have to wait until the morning light, and then we will show you any bits of Kingston we can. But so far, that's what it looks like down there. Light up over the city. So this is one leg. Apparently they're going to go to the swimming pool now, so I'm going to see about that.
Knock knock. Room service. Room service. Oh, you're the one giving. Hold this, hold this, hold this, hold this, hold this. Hey, Khalil, go. Woo!
What did you say?
Good night.
Oh,
Can sleep on the floor.
oh really now? What are we doing? We're going to get ready. What are you doing? Close the door, Khalil, and come out and let her go in. I think Keisha is going to go to the swimming pool. How about you?
I am. Can I go?
You're going?
Yeah.
To the swimming pool?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I go?
Well, I'm not going to go into the pool, but I can come out there and look, although I'm very tired and I want to sleep.
Oh, hell no. Is it like an actual swimming pool or you just sit down?
I have no idea. We'll have to go out there and see.
It's not true. I don't think I'm going to actually swimming suits. Oh, I was going to.
What? Where one? Oh, yours like that one?
It's the same. What's mommy? Just have to look up the time. They get the swimming suit. I already wore the swimming suit out somewhere, so I took out the time. Wait, I'm wearing my swimming suit already.
I'm sure your mom has it. Are you guys going to the swimming pool?
I want to calm down.
I know. Are you going to the pool?
Mommy, when you said that.
Definitely.
Okay, because they're changing, you
I can
know.
see that.
Mommy, when you said calm down.
So we're twinning again. Okay then. Hairstyle, outfit, crocking. Oh wow. Okay then. Anyways, we'll see how the pool vibes go.
Okay, so now we are up to the pool. Everyone checking in, head count.
Yep. We're here.
Where's Khalil? Come on. Yeah. Good night. Yeah. Hello, we're not dropping our stuff everywhere. We're going to pack it away nicely.
It's not hot.
It's comfortable.
It's not hot. Oh, I can see the bubbles.
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
And that's the Kingston skyline from the gallery where we are, or the balcony. I'm not sure if that's a school down there, but it seems so from the backyard look of the place. Oh, Khalil, are you okay?
So, why you got the lift? Hey guys, come in! Mommy,
Yes, darling.
can I go under? I wish you could
It's your choice.
I wish Camille was here. There you go. Give me that, it is everywhere. This is so fun. Take it, walk. Walk. Spin around.
I'm going to let you guys have fun now, okay? But I'm going to be down there.
You can see me from there. It's like a balcony thing. And then it pushes up into like a waterfall.
Because you didn't use my orange thing. What? You didn't use my orange thing. Yeah. Look at my fancy feet. Now they're fresh. Whoa, whoa.
Go back in the pool.
Yeah. No! Come on. Is it that deep?
It's not deep. I can stand up.
Yeah? Be careful though.
The moon is in Jibos. Didn't see. Keisha.
And then another thing.
Wow, Khalil, I like the spin. Are we going again? Careful though.
He was doing a belly flop.
They've got the pool all to themselves now. Look at that big child over there. And look at that big child over there. Ah, Ja. Is that what you're saying? Yeah, Adonai. Yeah, Adonai.
Let me show you something.
Khalil, I missed that. Can we see it again? Can I see you do it again?
Yeah.
Come on, go, let me see. Are you going to jump off as well?
I know, right? Come in!
I don't want my hair wet. I just did it less than a week ago. Less than 3 days ago.
The water is wet.
Adult.
Oh,
That good actually.
I know, right, Khalil? She's an adult and she's acting like she can't swim.
Come in!
She don't want her hair wet. Khalil, that's a good idea.
Go Kyle, go Kyle, go Kyle. Eliona, go Eliona, go Eliona. Whoa, Kyle. Check you.
Fearless.
Where's Keisha? Keisha, get off the top.
No, I want to post on this page. She's on Instagram. No, I'm not. Twitter.
To go now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
3, 2, 1. Go Keisha. Go.
Aha.
Go Keisha. Go Keisha. TikTok, please.
You're going again.
Mind your way. Mind your way. Okay, mind your way. I thought you were going to come for my feet. You were not good. And you jump off all. Because I looked at you.
Mommy! I'm together. I'm doing the splits.
You are in the water.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, I see you.
And somebody else decided to join me on the ledge or the edge of the pool.
Interesting.
Guys, I don't know if you can see, but we just had an earthquake. Yes, in Kingston, the earth was just quaking. person slept through that quake, but it was so quick and brief. By the time we felt it, it was over. And it's just gone past 8 o'clock in the morning. And it's just quake and ended. We'll see. So we're going to jump up and get ourselves ready to go. And then we'll see how we wake up. We'll see about waking up Madame Keisha. Is it the tickle bunny? Oh, I don't think it's working. It's another day and another flex. Holidaying! Yeah. We're in the big K. You know what they say. Kingston today. That is it. Yep. And there is the sis. And there is Kalel. Living up her life. Guys, I can already feel the heat. Yes. Ooh. Those people who think Kingston don't have lots of greenery, look over there. Oh, here is a day view. Good morning. Look at the waters in the distance. And that was where I thought the field was from yesterday. And the water going all the way around, and then look where we get back to over here. And look at those majestic mountains on the other side. That's the view. But as it is with Kingston, you can already feel the heat. First in Port Royal, so we came to Port Royal to go and see the attraction, but it wasn't open yet. We wanted to do that on our way to our next destination. So as it isn't open, we decided we're going to do some typical and general sightseeing and then go have some meal. So we're at Doria's waiting, and there's the police station and the lovely awesome views. Look at the hills are alive. Jamaica is buzzing. And of course, here is the the family. Hi. Melting. Oh wow. What a contrast. I agree. It's okay to be different, Kalel, and unique. So be you at this moment. So this is going to be our Port Royal experience. Hey, how you doing? Liking the Port Royal? Okay then. it's arrived. Yep. They didn't have any chicken, so a whole group of people over here not very happy. But we're going to enjoy it, and when we can get to another spot, we'll get the chicken people chicken. So this will be an experience of Port Royal. So here we go. Here we go. You know, I just realized that I ordered 250 and everyone, could we have the plate so we look at the beautiful Blue Mountain range. You can see how it looks like the sky touches the peak. Wow, Jamaica beautiful, you know. And then we return to these lovely people. Well, we'll go back to Mandeville soon. And somebody right here. Hey! And that's what it looks like ahead of us.
Not Santa Claus. Not Santa. Not Santa Claus.
We're at the road.
The Jamfam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jamfam family, the Jamfam family, yeah. Jamfam, come hang with me.
Thank you so much for staying with us on this another episode of Life with the Jam Fam. You know, we appreciate and value you and your recurrent visit to our channel. Our analytics shows, however, that about 80% of you who frequently revisit and rewatch our content aren't subscribers. And it would be awesome if you were to take that step right now and just click that subscribe tab. Just click that button. Yes, we appreciate you. Now, thank you for becoming a new tribe member for the Jam Fam tribe. It's an honor having you. And so we look forward to spending a lot more time with you as we continue to showcase Jamaica and to show you some of the adventures that are possible when you decide to either visit or to decide to return to Jamaica and make it your forever home. Bye for now, and we will see you in the next one.